Welcome, today I am with ASUS ROG Phone 5S and I'll show you how can remove tempered glass from display in this phone. So we are going to start from one of the edge. For example, we can start from the right upper corner. So you have to basically put your fingernail underneath glass. So let's make it like that. Right now lift this part of the screen of the protector. Do it gently and put here another finger. And just lift, like that. And right now we can release. Right now we can clean our screen. And as you can see, that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.